Hello, this is Anthony with Modern Roofing. We at Thomas Williams' house on 1517 Legion Drive, Columbia.
Yep, we're going to be doing a repairability. We're going to take this shingle out. We went ahead and marked the shingles that could potentially be damaged during this repair. 1, 2, and 3 right here is the shingle that we're actually going to take out. The seals, all the granulars that are coming off. I mean, just look at this amount of mat transfer. I mean, let's see what we got. Yeah, I mean, you can see all that mat transfer. I mean, the fibers are just completely coming off. We have a couple of rips in the shingles right here. I mean, you can see where the fiberglass has been ripped on these first two. I mean, we already had quite a bit of fiberglass exposed. And then just the amount of granular loss so far. Just trying to squeeze that. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this shingle in as soft as we possibly can. Little mismatch, but try to get these in. The amount of granular loss, that's all the granulars that are coming off. Seal back down. Yeah, I mean, bunch of ripping in the shingles, more fiberglass exposure along the edges. I mean, just the sheer amount of granular loss. I mean, you can see just a pile of granulars on the pitch hopper.